Welcome back to the channel. So today's fast 2.5 consists of the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, you have scissors. Exercise number 2, we have mountain climbers. Exercise 3, we have V sit-ups. And exercise number 4, we have push-ups. As a reminder, each exercise will be done for 15 seconds with a 30-second break and then repeating them all over again. So stay tuned and we'll get to this workout in just a moment. 3, 2, 1, and go. Scissors again. Move your feet forward and backwards on your toes. Make sure your heels staying up off the floor. Again, each exercise is done for 15 seconds, and then we switch to the next movement. So 3, 2, 1, mountain climbers. All right, one leg forward, one leg back. Alternating your feet, getting your knees to your chest. 15 seconds, here we go. Keep moving. All right, turn around, V sit-ups on your back. Lift your legs straight up in the air. Hands to your toes, go. And push-ups. Make sure your elbows are 90 degrees, straight down. Head is in front of your hands are facing forward. Great job, kiddos. Ladies and gents, great job. Keep working hard. And time. 30-second rest. Woo! All right, so I hope you guys are enjoying these fast 2.5 workouts. As you guys know, I have created the fast 5 workouts, which is double the time, but I have 32 different workouts that you guys can enjoy. I'll drop a link to those workouts down below in that playlist. So here we go. Back up top, starting with scissors. Starting in 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Scissors on your toes. Good. Pretend you're cutting a piece of paper with your legs. Staying on your toes, working hard. Breathe in, breathe out. All right, mountain climbers, and go. 3, 2, 1, V sit-ups. Here we go. Legs up and go. And push-ups, last one. Here we go. Work hard. Play hard, finish hard. See how many you can do. And time. Great job, folks, on that fast 2.5 workout number